You've been training for months. You've skipped plans, missed events, pushed through soreness. But your body still looks unchanged. Same shape, same size, same mirror. And the most frustrating part? You feel like you're doing everything right. Here's the truth. Most fitness videos won't tell you. Effort is not what transforms your body. The reason you're stuck is much quieter and much more common. By the end of this video, you'll understand why your workouts stopped working, why training harder often makes things worse, the hidden mistakes keeping your body in maintenance mode, and how to restart visible progress without adding hours in the gym. If your body hasn't changed in months, this explanation will finally make sense. Your body doesn't respond to intentions, it responds to signals. Every workout sends a message: stay the same, or adapt and grow. Most people believe consistency is enough. But consistency without progression sends the signal: I'm already adapted. And when your body adapts, progress stops. Mistake number 1, you're repeating, not progressing. You've memorized your routine, same exercises, same machines, same weights. It feels comfortable, it feels productive, but your muscles solved this puzzle weeks ago. If the load doesn't increase, the reps don't improve, or the difficulty doesn't rise, your body has no incentive to change. Growth requires escalation, not exhaustion. Mistake number 2, you train based on feeling, not feedback. You decide workouts based on mood. If you feel good, you push. If you feel tired, you coast. But your body doesn't care how a workout felt. It cares what actually improved. No tracking means no feedback. No feedback means no correction. If you can't answer, did you lift more than last month? Did your reps improve? Did your strength increase? Then you're guessing, and guesswork doesn't build bodies. Mistake number 3, you're chasing sweat, not stimulus. You think a good workout means heavy breathing, muscle burn, extreme soreness. But fatigue is just energy loss. You can drain yourself every session without creating meaningful muscle tension. Muscle grows from mechanical tension, not how destroyed you feel afterward. The goal isn't to leave the gym empty, it's to leave the gym progressed. Mistake number 4, too much variety, zero mastery. Every week, a new program. Every workout, new exercises. You think variety prevents plateaus, but constant change prevents mastery. If you never repeat movements long enough to improve them, your body never receives a clear growth signal. Variation should support progression, not replace it. Mistake number 5, you're under-recovering without realizing it. You think more training equals more results, but growth doesn't happen in the workout. It happens after. Poor sleep, high stress, no rest days. Your body can't rebuild what you keep breaking down. If recovery is low, your body chooses preservation, not growth. Mistake number 6, you're eating like you want change, but thinking like you don't. You want visible muscle. You want a leaner shape, but you eat just enough to survive training. Not enough protein, not enough calories, not enough consistency. Training sends the signal, food funds the adaptation. Without fuel, your body plays defense. Mistake number 7, you expect visual change without performance change. This is the biggest mental trap. You stare at the mirror instead of tracking strength, but the mirror is a lagging indicator. Performance improves first, appearance follows later. If your lifts aren't rising, your body has no reason to look different. Real progress begins when you track your lifts, you aim to improve something every week, you repeat movements long enough to master them, you eat to support growth, you respect recovery, not harder training, smarter signaling. Your body isn't broken, it's just responding exactly as designed. If this video changed how you see your training, subscribe to CoreVolt. This channel exists to remove confusion, noise, and wasted effort. Like the video so more people stop spinning their wheels, and comment signal if you're ready to train with intention, not emotion. Your body is listening. Make sure you're finally saying something new.